Hi everybody, I'm Alvise, your plugin buddy, and I will explain you how to leverage Dynamicooo plugins, also supported by concrete use cases. Today I'll show you how the ACF Frontend widget in Dynamic Content for Elementor lets you create front-edit forms on your WordPress site. You can let users edit content, create new posts and manage fields created with advanced custom fields, all directly from the front end. So, let's get started. When you add the widget, the first option you'll see is retrieve the fields from current post, other post to always edit a specific post you select, and new post, the most interesting one. It creates new posts when users submit the form. Here you choose the post type and the initial status, publish, draft and pending review. Then there's the second section, fields to show. Here you can enable show all ACF fields to automatically display all fields, or disable it to manually select individual fields or entire field groups. In this section you can also add post title and post content for a complete form. In the submit section you can customize the button text. Under submit value, you can write save, submit, or whatever you like. And after the submission, you can choose between message to show a custom confirmation message, or redirect to redirect to the same page or to a specific URL, like a thank you page. So here's a quick example. Let's create a submission form where we can add animals, which we'll find in the custom post type animals. So we start selecting new post, and under post types let's select animals and then status pending. Then we go to fields to show and we select ACF fields. And now let's add a couple of items like description, as you can see here. And let's add another one like image. Okay. And then we enable the post title option. In the submit section, we change the button text to add animal. Okay. And we publish. Okay. So here's what we're gonna see. And now let's do a test. For example, on title, let's put lion, and in description, like, let's say roar. And finally, we click add animal. And we're done. As you can see here, there's the options that we edit, and we have a complete form that allows user to submit every elements. To recap, with this widget you can create forms to edit or create content, control which fields are displayed, and fully customize the design. This is perfect for user areas, content portals, and advanced front-end forms. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. See you next time.